A is equal to the matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. Then show that determinant 2 into A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. Okay, it is a very important example here. So 2 into A is there, left hand side 2 into A. Therefore, first you find here 2 into the matrix A. So 2 into here matrix A is 1, 2, 4, 2 A. Take 2 inside the matrix here. So this is equal to here 2 into 1 becomes 2 here. 2 2s are 4. So right here 4. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Here 2 into A. Then find its determinant here. So determinant of 2A is equal to determinant of so 2 4 8 4. Then expand this determinant here. Multiply for diagonal elements here. 2 4s are 8. So right here 8 minus 8 4s are 32 here. Then this is equal to here 8 minus 32 is a 24 here. Minus of 24. Okay. Determinant of 2A is equal to minus 24 here. Next, right hand side 4 into determinant of A is there. Okay. What you find here determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to determinant of the given matrix here 1 2 4 2 here. Okay, 1 2 4 2. Then multiply for the diagonal elements here 2 1s are 2 here minus of 4 2s are 8. So it is 8 here. Then 2 minus 8 is a minus of 6 here. 2 minus 8 is a minus 6. Hence 4 into determinant of here. 4 into determinant of A is equal to 4 into minus of 6 here. Then minus of 6 4s are 24. So minus 24 here. So determinant of 2 is minus 24. 4 into determinant of A is also minus 24. So you can equate it here. Therefore, determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. So there is on the note here. It is a very important note. It is useful for a competitive exam also. If A is equal to K into B, where A and B are square matrices of the order n here, then determinant of A is equal to K raised to n into determinant of A, where n is equal to 1, 2 and 3 here. Here n is the order of the matrix here. Okay, you just observe here. In this case, A is this matrix here. Then to determinant of 2 into A is equal to 4 times determinant of A here. So you know determinant of A value is minus 6 here. Using this note here, determinant of 2A can be written as 2 raised to 2 into determinant of A here. You are using this one here. K raised to n into determinant of A. Okay, here this is K value. K is 2 here. So 2 raised to 2. Here 2 represents the order of this matrix here. 2 represents exponent. This 2 represents the order of this matrix here. Therefore 2 square is 4 here. Into here determinant of here. Determinant of A value is minus 6 here. Okay. So it is a minus of 6 here. Okay. Therefore it gives what here? 24. Minus of 24 here. Okay, even here also determinant of 2 is equal to what here? Minus of 24 here. Hence, we can apply this formula. It is useful for a competitive examination here. Hence, determinant of 2A is equal to 2 square into determinant of A here. 2 square is 4. Determinant of A value is minus 6 here, 6 4s are 24 here, so minus 24 is the answer here, which is the same as the determinant of 2 years. Okay, so just like a previous example here, here is this matrix here, order 3. Okay, then show that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant of a. Okay, therefore find a 3 into a. 3 into a is equal to 3 into the matrix of 1 0 0 0 1 0 here, 1 2 4. Okay, 1 2 4. Multiply this 3 to all the elements here. Therefore, this is equal to, here 3 into 1 becomes a 3 here. 3 into 0 becomes a 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 0 becomes a 0. 3 ones are 3 here. And 3 twos are 6 here. 3 into 0 becomes a 0. Again it is a 0 here. 4 3s are 12 here. It is a 12. Okay. Then find its determinant here. So determinant of 3a is equal to determinant of 3 0 3 here. Then 0 3 6 then 0 0 and 12 here. Okay, then expound this determinant here. So write this 3 here. Okay, 3 into determinant of here, just leave that first row and first column containing this 3 here. Okay, then these are the remaining elements here. 3 6 0 12 here. So 3 6 0 12 here. Minus of 0. Okay, minus of 0 because it is element in the first or second column here. First or second column, 1 plus 2 3 odd number. So in that case multiply minus n here and write this 0. Deleting the row and column containing this 0 here. Okay, the remaining elements 0 6 0 12 here. Okay, determinant of 0 6 and 0 12. So right here 0 12. Next plus 3 here because here it is element in the first row third column here. It is element in the first row third column. 1 plus 3 4 even number. In that case multiply plus n here and write this 3. Deleting the row and column containing this 3 here. Therefore these are the 4 remaining elements here. 0 3 0 0 here. So determinant of 0 3 0 0 here. Therefore this is equal to 3 into 3 12 36 here, minus of 0 into 6 becomes 0. Then the minus of 0 into 12 becomes 0, minus of 0 into 6 is 0 here. Then 3 into 0 becomes 0, minus of 0 into 3 becomes 0 here. Therefore this is equal to here 36 into 3 here, 108 here. This is 108 and the remaining 2 terms becomes 0. 0 into any term is 0. 3 into 0 becomes again it is 0. So it is a 108 here. Okay. Direct you can write this step also. Okay. So direct you can write this step. Just I am explaining here. Just observe here. Write 3 here. Delete the row and column here. Okay. Then 3 into 12 36 minus. Then 6 into 0 becomes 0. Then write minus 0 here. Delete the row and column containing that 0 here. These are the remaining elements here. 0 into 12 is 0. Minus 6 into 0 becomes 0. Then write plus 3 here. Plus 3. Delete the row and column containing that 3 here. These are the remaining elements here. Multiply these two here. 0 into 3 becomes 0. Minus of 3 into 0 becomes 0 here. Okay. Direct you can write this step also. Therefore 36 into 3 becomes 108 and the remaining term becomes 0. Therefore determinant of 3a is equal to 118. And in RHS 27 into determinant of a. First you find a determinant of a. Determinant of a. Okay. So a is equal to determinant of a is equal to, so 1 0 1 here, then 0 1 2, then 0 0 and 4 here. Okay. Now expand this determinant here. Direct I am writing this step only. Okay. Just observe here. 1 into, delete the row and column containing this 1 here. These are the remaining elements here. 1 into 4 becomes a 4, minus of 2 into 0 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. Okay. Then minus 0 here. So minus of 0. Okay. Then delete the row and column containing this 0 here. Okay. So these are the remaining elements here. Then 0 into 4 becomes a 0, minus of 2 into 0 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0. Then write this a plus 1 here. Okay, plus 1 into, here delete the row and column containing that 1 here. These are the remaining elements here. Therefore 0 into 0 becomes a 0, minus of 0 into 1 is a 0 here. Therefore this equal to 4 ones are 4 here. This is a 0, even this is also 0. So remaining is 4. Determinant of a is equal to 4 here. Therefore 27 into determinant of a. Therefore 27 into determinant of a is equal to 27 into 4 here. Again it is a 108 only. So this is a 108 term. Even this is also 108. Therefore you get it here. Therefore you can write a determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant of a. Okay, using that note here, can verify. Just observe here. Here determinant of 3a is equal to, here it is a matrix of order 3 here. So 3 is a constant here. 3 raised to 3 into determinant of a here. So 3 cube is a 27 and the determinant of a value is a 4. So it is a 4 is equal to how much here? 108. So determinant of 3 is a 108, which is same as this value. Okay, so you can apply that formula here. Okay, find the values of x. If determinant of 2 4 5 1 is equal to determinant 2x 4 6x here. Okay, directly you can expand here. Okay, for multiply diagonal elements here. 2 into 1 becomes 2 here, minus of 5 4s are 20. It is a 20 is equal to 2x into x becomes a 2x square here. It is a 2x square minus of 6 4s are 24. So minus of 24 here. Then the 2 minus 20 is a minus of 18 is equal to 2x square minus of 24 here. Take a minus 24 left hand side here, minus becomes a plus here. 24 minus of 18 is equal to 2x square here. Then 24 minus 18 is a 6 here. 6 is equal to 2x square here. Take 2 this side here. So 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 3 is equal to x square here. Then take a square this side, it becomes the root of 3 here. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus of root 3. Okay, so this is the answer here. Okay, this is the second example here. Even here also find the value of x here. Okay, direct expand the determinants here. 2 5s are 10 minus of 4 3s are 12 is equal to x into 5 is a 5x minus of 3 into 2x becomes a 6x here. Here 10 minus 12 is a minus of 2. 5x minus 6x is a minus x here. left side minus right hand side minus becomes a plus here. Hence the value of x is 2x. So this is the answer here. Here find the value of x here. So 3 times they asked here. Okay, Karnataka PU board. So x into x becomes x square minus 18 to the 36 here. Then 6 6 is the 36 minus of 18 to the 36 here. Okay. Therefore x square minus of 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 becomes 0. Take a 36 right hand side here. X square is equal to 36 as x is equal to plus or minus root of 36 is 6 here. Therefore x equal to plus 6 or minus 6 here. So fourth example here, find the value of x. So 3 into 1 is 3 here. Then x into x square. 3 minus x square is equal to 3 into 1 becomes 3 minus of 4 to the 8 here. Okay. Therefore 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8 is minus of 5. Take a minus 5 this side, minus x square that side here. Hence 3 plus 5 is equal to x square here. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is equal to x square. Hence plus or minus of root 8 is x here. And it can be written as 4 into 2 here. Therefore plus or minus root of 4 into 2 is equal to x here. Hence x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 here into root of 2 here plus 2 root 2 or minus 2 root 2 here.